In today's video, we are going to learn how to create ASMR satisfying video just like this. In just 3 steps. 1. Prepare your prompts. Now, you don't have to worry too much about the prompt, as this particular prompt has been updated in my Telegram channel. So watch this video to the end. First of all, where the main object to be sliced, ensure you put in the objects that you want to show in the video. Here I said a glass banana, and the slicing take place in, I would insert the location on a marble table in a fancy kitchen, or I'll just edit it on a fancy table in a modern kitchen. Then I'll scroll down and see if there's anything else I would like to change. If there's nothing, I will just copy the prompt and proceed to the second step. Now, I have just copied the prompt and I am going to head over to my ChatGPT. You can either use the app, the website, or the one from WhatsApp. So I will just paste my prompt and then allow it to generate the results I want for me. So I'm going to send it right now, and it has generated my prompt for me. So I am just going to copy this code and head over to my Veo 3 to make our video. Now, the link to Veo 3 is in this description of this video, and also a video on how you can get access to the free trial. So once I'm in here, I will leave it at Veo 3 and change the output per prompt to 1 because I want to generate as much videos as possible. Then I will paste my prompt right here and send it, and a few moments later I'll check back to see my results. And our first result is ready. You can see a hyper-realistic glass banana that is being created. So I will just download it normally to my gallery. And the best part is that you can edit this prompt as much as possible to create different videos, different type of satisfying video. And here are things you can edit. I've also provided this as well in my Telegram channel, like glass apple, frozen honey, slime cube, candle with glitter inside. And for location, you can try the following that you will see there as well. Then you can see other things satisfying, jelly cube, soap bar, and all that. So let's try the jelly cube right now. So I'll just change the main object to be sliced. Then I'll change the location where I want it to be sliced or to be crushed or whatever the activity. Now I'll just quickly edit this and let's see what would have. I just finished editing that. I'm going to copy this, head it over to my ChatGPT and create the prompt I can use to make my videos. Now I'll just paste it, give it a few seconds to generate my prompt for me, and I'll just tap on copy code and proceed as usual. So I just copy the code. I will head back to my Veo 3 and paste the prompts. Please, if there is any particular tutorial you want me to create, then kindly drop them in the comment section. And of course, don't forget to like this video, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Now let's quickly edit a prompt for a video of something crushing and not something being cut. So we remove the be sliced. The main object to be crushed is, so we are going to paste a giant foam block crushed under the weight. So I will take out all the parts that talks about slicing, cutting, and all that. Then I will just pick another location in a industrial cooking studio and just edit it to my own taste. So I've edited it to how I want. I'm just going to copy the prompt right now, head back to my Veo 3, paste it, and allow it to generate my result for me. And boom, a few moments later, I have my realistic close-up of a giant foam block being pressed. So this is how you can create videos like this. Try it out. You can get access to these prompts in my Telegram channel via the link in the description of this video. I'll see you in the next.